Today on Dak and Ju, we are making something that we both often make. It's from Ottolenghi's book, Simple. And basically it's just another way to make rice that happens to be baked.
And it's super tasty. All right, so these are the ingredients that we're going to prepare before we add our rice into our big baking pan. So Dakota is just going to prepare 4 shallots. So when you go to the store, it's like this, and then it comes apart into 2. She's just gonna peel them, halve them, maybe quarter them if it's a gigantic shallot. And while she's doing that, I'm going to prepare 12 cloves of garlic.
Okay. So we have 12 cloves of garlic going in.
Collect 3 tablespoons of fresh thyme. If you only have dried thyme at home, that's totally fine. I prefer using fresh herbs over dried, but don't stress if you don't want to buy it. It's really fun though. This recipe also calls for 4 small cinnamon sticks. Hard to say what a small cinnamon stick is, so I was thinking about it, just like breaking this in half.
Sure. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna use 3 cinnamon sticks, but the recipe says 4 small, so pick your poison. Don't try and break it, it's too hard.
So then we're gonna add our 3-ish tablespoons of picked thyme leaves.
And last but not least, for our prep ingredients, we are going to trim about 1.25 cups of cilantro stems. It doesn't have to be an exact science.
Nope.
And if you're thinking, cilantro stems? Do it. They're really tasty. They taste just like the leaves if they're crunchier.
So then we're gonna drizzle with about 7 tablespoons of olive oil. Grind the pepper.
Grind the pepper.
Grind the pepper.
Do you get tired of us saying that?
Sprinkle of salt.
Hearty
sprinkle. Last but not least, we are adding about 1.75 pounds of cherry tomatoes. Yep, right to the top. I realized I put the olive oil and salt pepper in prematurely. It doesn't matter. It's all going in together. It's fine.
Give it a little toss.
Toss-a-rooney. Oh yeah, okay, that looks nice.
Our oven is being preheated to 350. It has been preheating and is ready to go.
Let's do it. We've been roasting this for about an hour. Everything is softened. It smells amazing. Your whole house will just smell so good. So now, very important, we are going to pour
1.5 cups of basmati rice, and we're not going to stir it. We're literally just pouring and done. Oh my God, this smells so good.
I thought you spilled rice again.
No.
So then we're gonna do about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a grind pepper over the top.
Grind pepper!
Okay, so then we're gonna add 2.5 cups of boiling water over the top.
We also are turning up the heat on our oven from 350 to 450. And we're gonna add some foil, cover our pan completely.
And you wanna make sure that it's really sealed, and that way the steam doesn't get out.
Right, because the whole point is that by having the foil on there, the whole point of having the foil on the entire I'm trying to make a point.
She decided the oven was in there for 25 minutes. We've left it sealed just out on the counter for 10.
Whoa. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
It's like when you're making rice and you let it sit on the stove with the lid on for like an extra, I could just take a bath in here.
So at this point, all the vegetables are really soft. We're obviously not gonna eat the cinnamon sticks, so you can dig them out or let your guests do that, whatever. Sprinkle about like 1/2 cup-ish of the cilantro leaves that are chopped. Also, if you don't like cilantro or you don't like tomatoes or whatever, no problem. Just use the same technique without those things. And it'll be delicious.
It'll be so good.
Just gonna give it a little tossy.
Oh yeah.
Just like,
It's like the tomatoes are so soft that when you stir them up, they like kind of break apart and create this almost like sauce, but it's not a sauce, right?
Right. Sexy. Let's dig in,
Wow,
Julie.
okay. It's gonna be really fucking hot.
Yeah, don't get a cherry tomato.
Oh, that would be like molten lava. That is gonna be so hot.
I want it so badly.
I know, good luck. Oh my god. Wow.
Somehow, every time I make this, and I make it often, I think I'm going to overcook it. Like, this is the time it will be just a rice cake. And it never is. Like, this rice is just perfection. Also, if you didn't add enough salt when you were cooking it, you can add more now and just toss it in. I do think this needs like a little smidge more. We would serve this with our roast chicken and a nice side salad. Anything.
Yum. I could just sit here and eat this. I don't even need anything with it.
Yeah. Friday night, all right.
It is my Friday night.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is a winner. High five. Sorry.